Finally raining off grid, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it ain't rain here yet. The sand is a little wet. Actually feels good. Hey y'all. Beautiful morning. Sun is not out, shining not bright, but it still feels good. Alright, y'all have a wonderful day.
Come on and grab a seat. Yeah, we out in the desert.
Hey y'all, so here we got noodles boiling for our seafood salad. I'll be back once it's done. Let's dump the water.
The sun beats down. Built a sanctuary miles away from the town. Water all by hand, cast iron on the heat. Making sure the family's got something to eat. No delivery drivers, no concrete streets. Just the sand, the wind, and these savory treats. Got the fire burning hot, getting ready to prep. Making magic in
I'm gonna let the shrimp cook down because it's frozen, and I'm gonna drain the water out. So my peppers and onions are frozen. I'm just gonna be tossing them in the pot so they can unthaw a little bit. I'm not cooking them. Y'all see when I'm done. As y'all can see, we got the vegetables over here that's defrosted, and the ones that's not, so I just keep flipping and flipping. So we got the vegetables in. Some excuse me, some green peppers, red peppers, and some onions. We got the shrimp and the noodles under that. Let's get our crab in the bowl. Let's get our tuna in the bowl. Now we have more vegetables prepped. I have celery and green onions in there. Let's get them washed off and cut up and into the bowl. Now we have some of our celery chopped up. Got some in the bowl. Let's move on to the green onions. We got our green onions cut up. Let's get them into the bowl. Now that we have our green onions in the bowl, let's get all of our seasonings. Let's get our seasonings in. I'm gonna start off with some garlic powder, some onion powder, accent. I need a little bit of this, y'all. This is MSG. Some Old Bay, some hot. My daughter likes this. I was gonna smoke paprika just for the color. We got some regular Old Bay. Got some pepper. And some Slap Your Mama. Let's mix this up, give it a taste, see if it needs any more seasonings before I add the mayo and the mustard. So I needed to go back in and add the amount of seasoning that I added before, and it tastes like anything. So now I'm going to use a little bit of Miracle Whip. Just a little bit because really don't like it. My mom used to use it a whole lot when I was a kid, but I like a little bit of Miracle Whip and a whole bunch of mayo. I'm going to be using this real mayonnaise. We got the real mayonnaise in. Let's get some relish. I only had a little bit of relish, so I used what I had. I have some more pickles in there, but nah, I like my pickles whole, like they are. A little bit of mustard. All right, let's get the mixing. So we have our salad here all mixed up. It's very good. Now it's going in the refrigerator so we can eat it. Eat it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and hype. Excuse me. Look at that. What is that coming from the clouds? Out here in the desert, though. I wonder what type of bug that is that look crazy as hell. Let me know what y'all think. Alright. Hey y'all. So I just got a little bit of encouragement to give you all a little bit more of behind the scenes of Off Grid. So I got something to show y'all. So I prepared some chicken and some Italian hot sausages for the grill tonight, and just got done washing some dishes. There go the dirty water, excuse the dirty water. But the way I clean the meat is with some distilled white vinegar and bottled water. Put the distilled white vinegar in your dirty meat, and then I use bottled water because the water that comes out of the sink is from the IBC totes, but we don't have a filter on it, so I just don't trust it like that. So I just use the bottled water to clean it, and then I dump my water in here, and I use that filter back there. Well, excuse me, that little funnel, not a filter, a funnel, to put in these old water bottles that we have here. Hey, Vanilla Cat. Hey. So, yeah. That's what we're doing for now. Excuse the food. Yeah, it's on the couch because these are all filled with the dishes. Some groceries over here. Might as well just show y'all. Groceries, food. These are all my seasonings over there. Measuring cups, food in the back, and there's some more food and some more food. Like I said, these RVs don't have a lot of storage. These are our dishes. More dishes. We also have an outside kitchen that I have more storage of food and dishes in that I'm not using right now because it's too hot to cook inside of the oven. So just have some storage in here. Our glass dishes that go in the oven. Outside kitchen, I have a bunch of I have my mixing bowls and my blender. So as I go back outside, we made some smoothies the other day. But yeah, I will show y'all more of behind the scenes. I just haven't gotten there yet. So forgive me. But thank you, AZ Sunsets. Thank you very much for that motivation. It inspired me to make this video and to show y'all the raw scenes, you know, behind the scenes of off-grid living. He just turned on this light right now so he can season the chicken, put on the grill and things of that nature. But we do have, so tonight we're gonna try something a little bit different. Instead of using the Lowry's, we're going to try this grilled chicken seasoning. Come with sea salt, garlic, and herbs. I'll see what it's like and see if it's better than our same old. We're still going to use the lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, some parsley, and we're still going to use our regular barbecue sauce, hickory and brown sugar. I'll put the links in the description if y'all want to support the channel. Thank you very much. We do have these little power lights. This actually looks like a lantern. You charge it. Where's the charger at? However, you charge it with the cords. You charge it with the cords over here. Regular USB. We also have these little charging lights. I have one right here. And then we have another one right here in the bathroom. Is it working? Nope. I need to charge it. I'm short, so got something on my tippy toe to get that. But yeah. Oh, it worked. It still need to be charged because it didn't come on when I first came in the bathroom, and it normally does, but yeah. Also have these lights. I have these in the cabinets, batteries. We also have, excuse the mess, we need to do the laundry. We also have a couple up there. You can see, I don't want to turn on the lights because like I said, we are off grid, so we're not doing that.
We cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the menu. From the soil to the plate, we showing you how. Grab a seat at the table. We